afternoon. I'm cooking dinner. It's about, yeah, well, it's kind of like evening now, looking at the time. And then we have some ackee. And we have some saltfish. Done in other box. I'm excited because our teams came. I'm pretty excited about that. The trailer came today with things. I'm excited. Yep. So we're really getting settled. So it's just a simple Sunday dinner. Today is Sunday. I'm doing some ackee and saltfish. I don't mind it. I love the unpacking. But when you're packing up to move, that's the part I don't like. The packing up. But the unpacking is much better. Huh? Not enough what? It's easier. The packing is kind of stressful, don't you think? No? It can be. It's because Dan don't mind, but I rather to unpack than pack when moving. So you see, this is my ackee and saltfish. We have food over here. So we just have yam dumpling, some yellow yam, and I'm gonna add some Irish potato. Done. You just ready for food? You just ready for food?
Oh, okay. No, just ready.
Here we're just waiting.
Yeah, for the guys to come and unload stuff and put it in specific places.
Yeah.
And then I can watch my wife do her magic work with design and arrangement and stuff. Plus, it's doing a work meeting. I said, no, I don't want to over here or nothing over there. I'm looking forward to that.
You're so cool. This is the that we're in, Ambargo. This area is our eating area.
Yeah.
So we're excited, just waiting for them. That's what Dan said. Ackee and saltfish.
Yes.
I've been longing, you know, so we eat some the other day. Remember you buy it for me at Golden Cross?
Yeah, I remember that.
But you know what? It was dry.
Oh, yeah.
It needs
You would have to
some-
remind me though.
What?
It was dry.
And then we had some and you say dry.
Yeah, it was. It was
Yes, so
dry.
it really was dry.
The first time it wasn't though.
Because it was from a different one. Was it the same?
No, it was the same Golden Cross. It was the same.
Oh no, it was the different.
It was?
Yeah, because when this is our second time and
okay.
it was, they didn't have ackee, they had kalaloo and
Yeah,
the
so-
saltfish.
Yeah.
And so we tried the ackee. It was dry.
Yeah, it was the other Golden Cross with the ackee was good.
Yeah, but this need to.
This
I'm
one
gonna
had to
get
come up.
this up higher
Yeah.
because it.
It's a little hook thing. It's look like those. You just hook it in. Hook it back.
Yeah. Keep bucking with any like that.
Yeah, it's good.
But yeah, it just be good, you know, with Georgia for us. You get to like, you know, for me, more Jamaican stuff than Illinois.
True.
Has less Jamaican as well.
You don't
less
have to travel as
Jamaican
far,
stuff.
too.
Yeah, it's so long. And then Irsa, everything in I reach.
I found a
Illinois,
nice
you know,
one.
find none of that.
I found a nice one the other day too. They got everything that we want.
We're used to like certain parts of Georgia. We're in a different part of Georgia that we was before when we first came here in 2018.
Mhm.
So now it's like a different location. So we're trying to get acquainted with this area
Yeah.
because we're used to the other area. We're
Right.
used to the back thing. Don't say where we are. Don't like that for privacy. But yes, we're here excited cooking up some food. The children actually asked for ackee and saltfish. Yeah, they asked for ackee and saltfish. I was supposed to cook it yesterday, Saturday, but didn't get a chance. There's so much to be done.
Yeah.
And so, you know, we're actually waiting tomorrow for the people to come in and remove the carpets
Yeah.
upstairs, as you see, because we're getting new carpets. I'm
Yeah.
excited about that. Yeah, so we're waiting on that. Tomorrow's Monday, busy day, and then Tuesday is 4th of July,
Yeah.
and then Wednesday they should come back and do more things.
Yeah.
God is good.
Food.
Why are
You
you
know what
picking
food
up the
is?
spoon? Where are they?
You know what food is?
She's so
Man,
cool.
she got a spoon in her hand.
She really.
You know what food is, right?
Daniel's really eating our
Yeah.
bits.
Something to eat.
You know what it
She don't know
is?
what food mean.
Huh? It's the stuff that comes from the earth, like the dumplings and
The earth, the dumpling come from the
No,
earth?
Well, yeah. It's
No.
isn't it wheat? No.
Yeah.
But the green banana and the what is that? The
Yam.
yam.
Ackee.
No, the ackee
Just
comes
grown
from the tree.
proficient.
But I'm just saying that that's what they mean by when they say food.
So, like, coffee is in food.
All right, Danielle, please.
Doing a world cricket competition. Right, so you got. So is that all?
May I use my phone because my camera can't wait for it to come.
It's out there.
Yeah. I'm still waiting. They're too far. I think it's a distance, no?
I would have to look to verify it. And then once I verify, oh yeah, Tiffany's way back.
Yeah, but I'm waiting to get my camera. It's on the truck. And then I'll get it out and we should be good to go. Don't like doing, one of the main thing is eating with plastic, paper plate, all of
I
that
think she's
at
a
home.
Rasta or something. She don't even know plastic.
What?
Yeah, the Rastas don't know plastic.
Whatever. But kind of one.